Hello everybody, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you all? Hope you're all well. So this is the YouTube Bybit top 10 scan I'm going to do this morning. So if you haven't already, go and open a Bybit account, put some money in there, you get 30% off trading fees. And also if you do like these YouTube videos, please like and subscribe. Okay, so first is first. In this scan, I'm not going to go into heaps of depth like I would on the live trading floor or what I would for our community in our community videos. But I'm just going to whiz through the top 10 and share with you what my thoughts are with price in relation to the Cradle Zone. Now, I don't watch the news. News does not affect my trading. Morning, Dan. How are you, mate? I just watch the chart in front of me and the candles, and yeah, trading's been pretty good lately, and I hope to make more money. So I'm not really that overly excited about this big green candle on Bitcoin. It does appear it could be breaking the weekly downtrend, but we've still got a lot of time and to see where that weekly downtrend's broken, and also, yeah, what it does from here. Does it follow through? Does it not? Let's see what happens. Alright guys, so let's have a look at this. Okay, so Bitcoin in relation to the Cradle Zone. Let's have a look at the 4. Break down to the 4. We have a trend forming here on the 4, but we are coming up to major resistance, so I'm not going to take any trades there on Bitcoin yet. I don't want to be trading into that level there. A very defined level on the daily. Donna. Oh, that's unlucky, Donna. Look, some trades are losers, some trades are winners. As long as you controlled your risk, you had your stop in, and it was a trade that ticked the rules. All good. Okay, now onto file. Let's have a look at the weekly here. Oh, sorry, onto ETH. File was the trade that Donna took. Okay. So yeah, this weekly downtrend could be broken here on Bitcoin, but you know, we've got 5 days. That's a long time in crypto world, and that's a long time for a weekly candle. So yeah, you know, could come back down. We could be setting up a high low here. Just let's see. Let's see what happens. Nice bullish candle there in the Cradle Zone though, isn't there? Nice conversions. Maybe we'll see a pop to the upside. Let's see. Alright, let's have a look at the daily. Okay. Actually, yeah. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. So no trades for me on ETH, on Bitcoin. Now looking at ETH, have a look on the daily here. So again, we're starting to see, now a trend trade is our strategies are trend trading strategies. So do we have trend? We have some trend here, coming through here on the 4, but not so much here on the daily. Like ETH is a bit messy. Let's have a look at the ETH weekly. Let's have a look. The ETH weekly is very similar to Bitcoin's weekly chart, just sideways, right? Look at the monthly. Nice monthly pullback on there in ETH as well. Very nice indeed. All right. Any trades here to take? Any cradle trades here to take? A few flat levels. So for those of you like Dan and Donna who are watching, who are in the community, there are a few flat levels to certainly watch out for if price builds into those levels, which it very well could. So for that reason, I am going to put ETH into the list. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Got any flat levels there? Oh. It's pushing it, but you see what I'm looking at. If you're in our community, you know how we trade flat levels. So Donna, Dan, know what I'm talking about. Okay, XRP. XRP. It's a very sad looking chart, isn't it? XRP. XRP is very sad looking indeed. So yeah, not much on XRP for us there. The 4 hour, again, a bit of a flat level there maybe, but nothing to write home about. I saw you sent me a message on Slack, Donna, so yeah, nothing really there. Look, some flat levels again. For those of you like Dan and John who are in our community, there are some flat levels to look out for. But nothing, no cradles as such. Oh, look at this on Adder. Nice little bearish candle in the cradle zone there. Let's have a look at the 2-day. Wow, there's certainly a flat level going through there, right? There's certainly a level of support. Geez, why have my levels changed? I don't like that. Don't like that. That's not why. Let's have a look here. There we go. I don't like it with my charts. My charts need to stay the same when I'm always scanning, It's like my mind for the pattern recognition. It needs my charts need to stay the same all the time. Now, looking at Adder, yeah, we certainly have a flat level going through there, and we may get a bearish candle there on the 2-day, so that can go in. So, now if you moved your stop up where we told you to, or where we talked about on the in Slack the other day, we stopped out of that by now from a trade. Where did we take it? Up here, didn't we? Yeah. So, made 1-to-1 profit. Let's have a look at the 4. Again, we have these trends coming through the 4, but they haven't followed through yet. So I am happy to be patient on the key rules to becoming a successful trader. And once you nail that patience, man, it feels good. Man, it feels good. Craig taught me that. Alright. BNB. Very sad looking chart here in BNB. Look, it's just sideways drop, eh? How much data there on the monthly? Have a look at the 2-day, have a look at the daily. Yeah, just nothing to write home about. This nice leap up. And the 4, so we do have trend here on the 4. But I'm needing these trends to do a bit more for me. I'm not interested. I've had 3 or 4 winning trades in a row, and I'm not interested in, and that's because I've stuck to taking good quality trades. I'm not interested in changing that. Not at all. So happy to be patient and wait for the right trade to come to me. That's for sure. So nothing there on BNB. Let's have a look at DOT. Now, Dispelling Myths, the title of this YouTube scan. What is that? Well, Dispelling Myths mean that if you look on social media, if you look on the news, I'm going to say most of the time, it's incorrect. The only correct information we need for trading is right here in front of our eyeballs on the chart. That's all there is to it. So if you can cut out everything else, then you're going to have a clear mind when you approach the market. Daily, pretty sad here on DOT. Have a look at the 4. Leaping up, but no conviction. No conviction. 15. Nah. Alright, Luna. Wow. Luna's had a bit of a bounce, hasn't it? Look at this from its lows in 19th of Feb. Wow, Luna's gone up 104%. Now, these are the moves in crypto which just blow you away, don't they? Dang. That is quite a move to the upside, isn't it? Wow, and look at that 4-hour trend. This is a contract which knows where it's going. It's getting a bit sticky at the top, but and if Luna pull back, oh, I'd certainly want to know about it, that's for sure. Look at the strength of that move to the upside. And just no taking off and not looking back. That is quite a nice chart indeed. So look on the 15. No, nothing there. But if that pulled back, I would want to know about AVAX. Nice weekly green candle. Again, AVAX not really doing much either. Very choppy through here. Although we do have a high low here in the daily, but nothing to write home about. Let's have a look at the 4. Look, look, it's so messy. Look at these wicks and everything. A flat level to the downside possibly on the 15, but it's a long shot. Put it in anyway. For those of you like Dan and Donna in the community, you know what to do with that. Actually, I'll take that out. So we only want cradle trades in our watch list because that's what we're looking for, because this is a public YouTube scan. Now, Doge. Look at the daily. Have a look at the 16. Let's have a look at the 4. Yeah, it's starting to trend, but just there's no conviction. Might be just another morning of a quieter morning session and sitting on your hands. So let's have a look at our watch list. Alright, so we've got ETH here on the daily. Let's have a look on the 4. So that 4-hour trend's just needs to do a bit more work, right? Have a look at the 2. Let's have a look at the 1. The flat level forming there on the 15, which might offer something, but yeah, it needs a bit more work. But if ETH was to push on and pull back, yes, we want to know about it. Now, ADA. Let's have a look at the daily. Let's use this chart here. Small candle indicator. Now, ADA. Pulling into a significant level there on the daily, isn't it? Have a look at the 2-day, see if it's trending at all. Nice trend there on the 2-day. The 2-day closes today as well. Yeah, look, I might consider it. It's just, I have seen nicer trends. But, look, there is a bearish candle in the Cradle Zone. It is popping off major resistance. So, yeah, it's definitely one to consider. Would I take that myself? Don't know. But anyway, it does meet the rules. We do have a downtrend here on the daily and on the 2-day. Luna waiting for a pullback. If we go, it's a pretty wild looking chart, to be honest with you, on the 4, like with these big candles leaping up. 16, 12. Look, I just want to see if it pulls back what it looks like. That's all. So pretty tight list from the top 10. And ADA here. The only problem I have with this trade is this. It's very sticky below here, and you know, I want to bring that up on another contract to see if there's major resistance through there as well. So it is there, but I'm not saying that I trade it. I hope you're all well, and if you are caught somewhere in Australia where there's flooding, I hope you're safe, and really hope you're safe. And if there's anything we can do at TRADERCOBB, please reach out to us. And if you're in the Ukraine or anywhere where there's a war zone, I hope you're safe as well. As always, guys, safe trading, and very grateful for this market of ours. Let's see if we can take some good trades today. See you later, everyone.